Hi guys, welcome to this new unbox. Today we have the brand new iPad Pro with the new Apple M4 chip, the Apple Pencil Pro and the new Magic Keyboard. Let's go ahead and start with the iPad Pro. We got the 11-inch screen model in silver color and with 256 gigabytes of internal storage, which I think it's great. Inside the iPad box, we first find the main unit, which comes really well protected with this paper grab. This is the Wi-Fi only version and it only weighs 0.98 pounds, which I think it's really nice, really lightweight. And this iPad uses the same 4-speaker configuration, making it a really nice audio quality. But this time the front-facing camera is on landscape orientation, so when you have your iPad with a smart folio case or the Magic Keyboard, you can be taking video calls and have the perfect position for it. It is really thin, with a thickness of just 0.21 inches, making it one of the thinnest iPads available and even being thinner than the iPad Nano. And in this generation, Apple introduced the tandem OLED technology, which uses 2 layers of OLED screens to have a really nice brightness, which offer a greater range of colors, a pure black, and it has a nice visibility on the screen from any side. And in the back side, we have a 12 megapixels wide camera with an f-stop 1.8 aperture with a digital zoom up to 5 times. And we have this pack with all the different manuals, paperwork, in different languages, and we also get a 20 watts USB Type-C power adapter and a 1 meter USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, so next up we have the new Apple Pencil Pro. Inside the box we also get all the different paperwork in different languages and the proper main unit with a removable tip. This new Apple Pencil Pro is quite different from the other iterations of it because first of all, it doesn't have a charging port because it only charges and pairs only magnetically, which I think it's a really convenient option, and adds even more useful functions like a double tap function to quickly switch between tools, for example with a pen and an eraser. We also get the squeeze function. The Apple Pencil Pro senses when you squeeze it and it brings a new palette with tools, line weights and different colors, which I think it's really practical, and it implements a new gyroscope which allows to rotate the Apple Pencil Pro for more precise control of the shaped pencil and brush tools. Unfortunately, it's only compatible with the M4 chip iPad Pro, the iPad Air with the M2 chip, and with the iPad mini with the A17 Pro chip. So if you have any other iPad, I will recommend using the other Apple Pencil options like the USB Type-C or the second generation Apple Pencil. Then we have here the Magic Keyboard, which connects with these pins magnetically to the iPad Pro. This is specifically for the 11-inch iPad Pro with the M4 chip. It has a sleek and portable design with an aluminum trackpad, and I think it's nice because it has a floating cantilever design, making it perfect to adjust to your liking and still be able to adjust for multiple viewing angles. This keyboard includes a 14-key function row for quick access to screen brightness, volume controls, and different other features. It has a USB Type-C port for using with pass-through charging for the iPad. The overall feeling of using the Magic Keyboard, it's really nice. It's really comfortable to be writing, taking notes, and it's perfect to use it anywhere that you want. And the trackpad, it's really responsive and you can see the cursor in the screen like if you were using it with a regular mouse, which I think it's really nice and really useful. Okay, so we're gonna start doing the initial configuration for this new iPad and we're gonna select different parameters. Then we're gonna have a quick start option that is gonna recognize any other iPad that we have close to us so we can pass the information from that iPad to our newest iPad. After that, with all the information on the new iPad, we're gonna update it and let's wait. After that, we can use freely our iPad with all the applications information that we have on our latest iPad and use it regularly, which I think it's really nice. Okay, overall it's a great piece of technology, really useful, and in many cases a really practical help if you are studying, working, anything that you want. I think it's really convenient. So see you in the next one.